পাগল କରିଦେଲୁ ଯେବେ ନିଜର ତୋର ସବୁ ନଜର ମତେ ଲାଗେ ପ୍ରେମ ନଜର
सेपटे हैंडसेक कला बेली खाली बाबा चार हिरोइन तमे तो खाली कन कन गोटे गोटे मु चाहिए मो हिरो पाई समस्त दी हाथ टेकी गोटे जोरदार जबरदस्त हो जाऊ तर कुछ कुछ या बालरे नन्नी छनी हे जीव मन आओ कुचिया बालरे नन्नी छनी हे जीव मन तर कुचिया बालरे नन्नी छनी
Hello, welcome back to my channel Kritika Entertainment. Today I will tell you the topic function in shell script. Okay, today I will tell you how to declare function, how to define the function, and how to call the function in shell script. Okay, first thing, function is used to do a specific task. Okay, function means it is used to perform the specific task, suppose addition function and divide function, and suppose square root function, and suppose your round function. All these functions are there, and these are called predefined function, or there are some user defined function. But now I'll tell you how to define our own function in shell script. We can define the shell, we can without the shell script we also can use the function. Then see how. Suppose here I'll be called the suppose add function. Understood? Add function. So when you call the add function, it is a starting curly braces. Okay, starting curly braces I have given. Then here suppose I will write a, okay, b is equal to suppose 7. Okay, then suppose c is equal to I will write expr. Okay, $a plus, okay, $b. So okay, sum sum is, I'll write, okay, dollar C. Okay, suppose this is one. Suppose here after given the curly braces here I have started. Okay, when I will close the curly braces here, you can come to the terminal. Okay, then after press the enter, I come to the terminal. Then how to run it? You will be simply write the add function. Okay, when you click the only add function, then you can see that sum is 12, and that things I want to create in, okay, by using code in your notepad or in gedit editor. Okay, so see how to use this. Suppose here I'll be write, suppose gedit, okay, suppose add 4.sh. okay, my file name is this. Okay, then what will do, I'll be here the, suppose call the add function. Suppose I'll call the add 4 function. Okay, add 4 function. Then here will write, suppose a is equal to 5. Okay, then b is equal to 7. Or same things you can also write echo. Okay, enter 2 number. Enter 2 number. Okay, then you will write the read a and b. Then c is equal to, you can write expr dollar. Okay, a plus, okay, dollar b. Okay, then sum, then echo, okay, you write the sum is, okay, dollar c. Okay, then I will write this. Then to call this function here, you can add the write the only add 4. Okay, this is used to call the function. And remember here will be close the, then I'll save this. Okay, then I'll be close. Then remember, okay, add 4 function I have here called. At the call time, no need to given the, okay, your parenthesis. Okay, then close it. Okay, then I'll be run sh. Okay, sh bsh. Okay, run the file. You can enter, asking enter. Sorry, I have mistake. I have given in one line my input. So expr spelling is mistake. So here will write the expr. Okay, then save this, then close. Okay, then I'll be clear the screen. Okay, then you see bash add, suppose 4 6, it will display sum. Okay, then same thing again I want to do. Okay, so same thing, how to pass the argument into the function. Okay, suppose here write, suppose add. Okay, add, I have written add. Again I will tell you how to pass the argument inside the function. Suppose here I'll be, suppose write, okay, how to pass the argument. Suppose I'll be write a is equal to $1. $1 means first argument which you have passed into one. So b is equal to what? Not $2. $2 means second argument. Then here write c is equal to what? Na expr dollar, okay, a plus dollar, okay, b. Okay, then I will close echo. Okay, sum is, okay, dollar c. Okay, then I will close the bracket. Okay, then sorry, I have mistake. So I need to again cancel the things. So no need to, yes, I will need to cancel the things. Again I will be write the program. Okay, so how to write this? Suppose I will be clear the screen. Okay, I will write add. Okay, I have mistake. So here write, okay, a is equal to $1, b is equal to, you will write $2. Then c is equal to, okay, write expr dollar a plus, okay, dollar b. Okay, then echo, okay, sum is, okay, you write dollar c. Then close the double quote. I have not closed, so it will be repeatedly asking. So function is not closed time. So here function will be close and go to the terminal. Okay, dollar prompt. Then it will come to dollar prompt. Then how to call this? You will write add 4 and 6. 4 is the first argument which is accepted by $1, and store in A. 6 is the second argument which is accessed by $2 and store in the B. C equal to sum, then it will display the sum. Then you see I have pressed the enter. Okay, you can see that 4 and 6 result display. Then same thing if you want to call in your shell script, call in the editor. How to write? So gedit, you will write add 5 dot sh. Same thing here you write add 5. Okay, then you will start the your curly braces. Here write A is equal to $A. Okay, $1 first argument. B is equal to okay $B means second argument. Then you write C is equal to okay EXPR $A plus $B. Okay, then you write echo okay sum is percentile C $C, then you close the double quote. Okay, then here bracket the close. Then how to call this? Simple thing, you will write add 5, I will pass the 6 and 8. Okay, then you see whether it is working or not. 6 is the first argument accepted by $1 and storing the A. 8 is second argument, will be used the $2. Okay, $2 and store in the B. Okay, then you see what is the result. Okay, then you compile it by using, interpret it by using bash. Okay, so it will display. So I think you have understood properly. If you have any doubt, then give me doubt in the comment section. Otherwise, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it. If you have already subscribed, comment, like, share. Okay, bye. Thank you.